Hi everyone. So in this lecture we'll go over the date and time object. So if you go under object, pick on date and time, you have two functions. You can either present your date and you can decide what formats you want. Pretty easy here. You have a date option. You can do a lot of different style of dates showing up on the HMI. And I mean, that's about it. And then in the extend and trigger, this is just pretty basic. You can hide it or stuff like that. I don't know why you would hide date, but anyways. Yeah, and then we can go to the time function right here. We don't have to open up a new one, but if you click on the time, see how on the back it changed to the time function. You can pick different time options. You can fill with zeros and not fill with zeros and stuff like that. And yeah, you have text colors. This would basically work when you have a zero in the front. If you want a zero, you don't want a zero. You can put a shape to it and things like of that nature. So yeah, that's it for the date and time. We'll see you in the next lecture.